Mitsubishi Power's story in Indonesia is one built on partnership, progress, and long-term commitment. From the early days of electrification, Mitsubishi Power stood alongside Indonesia, helping shape the nation's evolving energy landscape.
The journey with Mitsubishi Power started over 50 years ago in 1971 at Tanjung Priok Unit 3 and 4, where Mitsubishi Power delivered two 50-megawatt oil-fired boiler and steam turbine units.
Over the decades, Mitsubishi Power contributed to Indonesia's transition from early steam power to advanced gas turbine combined cycle solutions, ultra-supercritical coal technologies, and pioneering geothermal development. Each new project strengthened the country's power infrastructure and supported its economic growth.
Back when we were still using oil boilers for power generation, the efficiency was 37% and 1,000 grams of CO2 per kilowatt hours. Today, with Mitsubishi Power combined cycle gas turbine, the efficiency is 60% and carbon emission is down to 400 grams CO2 per kilowatt hour.
To date, Mitsubishi Power has supplied more than 19 gigawatts of equipment, nearly a quarter of Indonesia's total installed capacity, and a major contributor to the Jawa-Bali grid. Long-serving plants such as Suralaya, Paiton 3, Gresik, Grati, Kamojang, and Darajat continue to operate reliably for decades and remain essential pillars for PLN Indonesia Power. Geothermal plants like Kamojang and Darajat also stand as pioneering examples of Indonesia's clean energy leadership.
Kamojang is the backbone of PLN IP's electricity generation, and it has served us very well over the past 30 years due to the excellent reliability and quality of components from Mitsubishi Power.
Mitsubishi Power's commitment was proven during the COVID-19 pandemic, when the Muara Karang GTCC upgrade was completed on schedule despite travel restrictions. Beyond power plants, Mitsubishi Power contributes to national research and policy development through its collaboration with Institut Teknologi Bandung.
Since 2020, we have worked with Mitsubishi Power to develop low-carbon and zero-carbon combustion technologies for future gas turbine applications to support national and global energy transition agendas.
We remain dedicated to supporting the nation's future, working hand in hand with our partners to deepen trust and advance innovation together. This is a story of progress built together, past, present, and future, as Mitsubishi Power continues to support Indonesia in building a resilient and sustainable energy future.